Flet is a framework that allows you to build interactive applications in Python and deploy them as web apps or native applications app for Android. Below, I'll provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a simple Android app using Flet in Python. Prerequisites 1. Python installed. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from Python.org. Python.org downloads. Flet library. You need to install the Flet library. You can do this using pip bash pip install flet. 3. Buildozer. If you want to create app files, you will also need Buildozer. It's a tool to compile Python applications into Android packages. You can install it using bash pip install Buildozer. 4. Linux environment. Buildozer requires a Linux environment to build apps. You can use a Windows subsystem for Linux on Windows, or use a Linux virtual machine. Creating a simple Flet app. 1. Create a project directory. Create a new directory for your project. Create a Python file. Create a new Python file, e.g. appy. Write your Flet app. Open appy in a text editor and add the following code. Python import flet asf to def main page fort page title me first flet app page vertical alignment fort main axis alignment center. Create a text field text name fort text field label. Enter your name. Create a button greet fort elevated button text greet. Unclick lambda page add fort text hello text name value. Add controls to the page add text name pay greet. Run the app for tap target main. Running the app locally. To run your app locally, execute the following command in your terminal: bash python app py. This will start a local server, and you can view your app in a web browser at localhost 8550. Building the app. 1. Initialize Buildozer in the terminal. Run the following command in your project directory: bash buildozer init. This will create a Buildozer spec file where you can configure your app settings. Configure the Buildozer spec file. Open the Buildozer spec file in a text editor. Modify the following fields: title your app's name. For example, plain text title myflet app package name myflet app package domain org example. 3. Build the app. To build the app, run the following command: bash buildozer of Android debug. This process might take some time, as it will download dependencies and build the app. Locate the app. Once the build is complete, the app file will be located in the bin directory of your project folder. You can install this app on your Android device. Installing the app on your Android device. 1. Transfer the app. You can transfer the app file to your Android device via USB or any file sharing method. Enable installation from unknown sources on your Android device. Go to Settings, Security, Install Unknown Apps, and allow the app, e.g. Your file manager to install unknown apps. Install the app. Locate the app file on your device and tap to install it. Summary: in this tutorial, you learned how to create a simple Android app using Flet in Python and build it into an app. You can expand this basic app by adding more features and UI components based on your requirements. Flet provides several widgets and functionalities to create interactive applications easily. For more advanced features and options, you can refer to the Flet documentation. Flet Dev Docs. Happy coding!